the faith that we include in our rap.
Oh snap,
You thought we weren't gonna persist,
but we are everlasting, going classes up in the mix.
oh snap, you didn't think we do it like that.
I hope you're ready for the faith that we include in our rap.
Oh snap,
We thought we weren't gonna persist,
but we are everlasting, join classics up in the mix. I hope you're ready for the villains, the demons, the microphone fiends who make hip-hop for the right reasons. Addicted to it, so I keep writing throughout seasons. Day and night sessions, I'm saying it's like breathing. I need it, I noticed, I need a high dosage. One day without it, I could slip in psychosis. It's mandatory when I craft stories, I'm devoted. Try and write the stuff that puts a statue into motion.
from time to time when I try to rhyme, words to formulate my thoughts are hard to find. So I try to take it to a story and event, something I've learned out of experience. So I sit myself down and I take a piece of paper, look around trying to find some inspiration. Found it, lived it, ready to bring the flavor into your eardrums. It belongs to make you feel like you're blown away by the creator. You play it so loud, you share it with your neighbor, you spread it worldwide. It's a thanks for my labor. I got it all in my mind, but what I see is greater.
It's sacred, I feel like I'm a first investigator, searching for the perfect words like a regulator. Giant in the mental, I can make your soul clap, catching wreck while I'm digging in the creek. Dope wax, oh snap,
You didn't think we do it like that. I hope you're ready for the flavor, we including our rap.
oh snap,
You thought we weren't gonna persist, but we are everlasting, throwing classes up in the mix.
oh snap,
You didn't think we do it like that. I hope you're ready for the flavor, we including our rap.
oh snap.
You thought we weren't gonna persist, but we are everlasting, throwing classes up in the mix.
Oh shit, I hope you're ready cause we are the funkiest. Born for this with flavor, it's astonishing. I would keep meet a lot of people will be wanting this. Boom bap, delicious hip hop, it looks promising. So raise your fist in the air if you do too. Everybody everywhere meet the fat mob crew. We're all hooked to what we call the old school, but it can be old, but it always sounds
And
new.
out of the blue, we keep coming with no tactics. The most classic shit molded from old fabrics. The flow's nomadic, it roams the whole planet. No static approach to our shows, we're so active. Forging lyrics and the verses like a blacksmith. I'm keeping you attracted to this beat like it's a magnet. We keep you dripping without acid, addicted to the craft. We solicit to uplift you with our actions. Lyrically, it's madness. Keep on talking drag and you'll end up on our blacklist. The figure at the basket. We're committed to continue with this rap shit. We're in it to win it. We spit with an infinite passion.
So every minute we bring it exquisite, go figure we get it. My sister go sing it, just listen and dig it. We're bigger, dream big because we live it daily on the rhythm. We've been bringing every day. So hey, can I kick
Oh
it?
snap, you didn't think we do it like that. I hope you're ready for the flavor we include in our rap.
Oh snap, you thought we weren't gonna persist, but we are everlasting, going classes up in the